Hi guys, and welcome back again to the Tech YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Gigabyte's latest micro ATX motherboard model from their ultra durable series, the Z97N Wi-Fi edition. As you can see right on the front of the box, this model supports the latest Intel Haswell and Haswell Refresh core CPUs with its Z97 chipset on board and carries an integrated 802.11ac Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0 module. And that's about it for the front side, and on the back side, as usual, and like with other Gigabyte models, even on this small box, they've managed to squeeze in some information like a quick rundown of the implemented technologies, basic specification of the motherboard, picture of the motherboard, and the input-output ports with a point-to-point explanation of the features as you can see here. Let's open up the box and check out what's inside of it. Beneath the motherboard and this cardboard divider we found antennas for the Wi-Fi module, input-output shield and two SATA cables, and of course some user manuals. And here it is, the Z97N Wi-Fi. As with every other mini ITX motherboard, the first thing that you can notice is how small and compact it is, with its 17 x 17 cm in dimensions of this format. Despite that, you will still find all those core features that can make this motherboard a good base for a full-blown gaming PC. Speaking of core features, as a mini ITX motherboard, the Z97N Wi-Fi carries only 2 RAM slots and one PCI Express X16 slot, which is a common layout for this type of format. Despite being very limited with connectors and slots on account of its small physical size, Gigabyte managed to squeeze in 6 SATA ports, which is a pretty rare sight for a mini ITX model. As for the rest of the ports and connections, we have standard set of USB 3 and 2 headers, front panel and fan headers, 24-pin ATX and 4-pin EPS power connectors, and of course in the right top corner a vertically mounted Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module. Around the 1150 socket you can see some solid caps and MOSFET building up the Gigabyte's ultra durable power design, and on the left side you can see a passive heatsink and hiding underneath it the Z97 chipset. Going around to see the input-output back panel, there is a pretty impressive set of ports and connections. Here we have 2 USB 2 ports, PS2 port, connection points for the antennas, DVI out with the support for the analog connection, 2 HDMI outs, 2 Intel Gigabit LAN ports, and underneath it 4 USB 3 ports, and a 7.1 audio circuitry with analog and optical SPDIF connections. Thank you guys once again for checking out our unboxing and quick preview of the Gigabyte Z97N Wi-Fi motherboard. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, leave a comment if you have any questions about the product, and of course be sure to subscribe to our Tech YouTube channel for more content like this, where you can check out our other videos from before.